Hey everybody, this is Matt. Just wanted to send out a quick market update with what's going on in the market and some things here at Mach 1. As a reminder, me and Lise just sent out a video last week, so not a lot of changes since then. So if you didn't see that, definitely go check that out. Again, me and Lee recorded a video that we sent out last week. You can find it on our YouTube page, which you can access via our website. A couple quick updates. Today, I'm recording this end of trading on October 3rd, Monday, October 3rd. Today was a great day in the market, big day, big up day. So that's a good. We'll take every one of those that we can get. Last week was obviously a pretty rough week, so things have just kind of continued to be choppy. We get a lot of questions about what we think is causing that, and like the video we shot last week said, we think the two key drivers are rates and inflation. So until those two things start to kind of chill out, for lack of a better term, we think the market could remain volatile. But one thing we get asked about a lot is the upcoming midterm election, and albeit that we're positive and hopeful that conservatives do well this fall. We don't see that as a big reason the market's going to snap back in a positive direction. Historically speaking, the market doesn't care near as much about who's in power as we might like to think that it does. Just because conservatives might do well in the Senate or the House or both, doesn't mean that inflation is all of a sudden going to be solved, or doesn't mean that rates are going to all of a sudden start coming back down or normalize. And so we just want to keep the right context and kind of perspective going into the midterm elections. I know a lot of clients have been very hopeful that's going to improve things, and I think politically speaking, it could, Lord willing, it's definitely a right step in the direction if things go the way we'd like for them to go. But that doesn't mean that it's going to be a positive thing for the markets. It doesn't mean it couldn't be, but still the driving force of what's causing the market volatility and the market downturn year to date, those two or three things are still going to be intact. So something to just kind of remind yourself of as we go over the upcoming month or two with what's ahead of us. Quick building update. We'll be sending out building updates via Facebook and email. They're currently working on the interior, and we're still hopeful for getting moved in there sometime later this year or at the latest early next year. So as that becomes more defined and more known, we'll update everybody on that date, that official date that will no longer be here on our North Walton location. So be on the lookout for that. So as always, if you have questions, need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. You can schedule a time with any one of us advisors. We'd love to answer your questions. So hope you're doing well. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.